Hi guys, Fluffy here. Welcome to techbeatph.com, and with the recently launched phone of Zenfone 5, so you can click that video right here on the card. So we're going to unbox and review another from ASUS. This time we're going to review the Zenfone4 MaxLite. So we're going to do an unboxing and real world review. So do stick around the video and see if this is the right phone for you and see what we think of it.
Unboxing the phone, first we can see the gel case that comes along with the phone. Next up, the star of the show, the ASUS Zenfone4 MaxLite. We turn the phone on to get the initial impressions of the screen and the display. While we wait for the phone to boot up, let's take a look at the phone. So it has a nice finish, a very nice feel. We can see the camera and the flash at the back with the headphone jack, and the on and off buttons at the side, and the USB cable attachment. Now onto the phone. You can see it has a very nice and clear display. Let's put the phone down now and look at the other accessories that comes with the box. It comes with all the usual bells and whistles: a charging cable, a set of headphones, a charging adapter, and everything you need to run the phone. Now, taking a look back at the phone, you can see the screen is really nice and bright, very responsive to the touch, easily reacts to your gestures. The finish is very nice to the touch and it's not slippery. Now we're going to take the phone outside for some real-world testing. Taking the phone outside, we can see the screen is still nice, sharp and bright even under direct sunlight. Using the phone and taking calls is also very nice. The speaker in the phone delivers a very nice and crisp audio so you can understand everything well. The phone's camera also delivers awesome photo, but not at the same levels as the other flagship phones.
There you have it guys, a real world review of the Zenfone4 MaxLite. So it has an amazing battery life. It took us around more than a week since we started it and still going strong. So we give this a silver rating for its tremendous battery life, amazing performance, and a very good camera. If you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button and give us a like. So also click on the notification bell for anything new coming from techbeatph.com.